there was one that, well, I'll just read your email. How about that?
Oh, those are the only two, Judge.
Were they in the email or just these two were?
Just those two are in the email. The other two, we're going to do things.
Okay. All right. Gotta get that prosecutor. Or take that suggestion you gave me about Miss Shirley.
That was Mr. Ambrose.
That was a good one. Yeah.
He has great ideas.
Yeah. Miss Shirley's a pro at it. We use her all the time.
I shouldn't do this. In the courtroom, I sit in the very back and hide because I'm the tallest lawyer we ever see. So normally I get called on for things. Should never volunteer to do a darn thing. It's never worked out well for me in a decade yet.
I'm not sure I've ever seen you in person, have I?
A couple times.
Have you?
He's a giant, Judge. He's a giant.
They must grow them tall in Lyon County because Mr. Dean's pretty tall also.
Now, there's a whole cavalcade of really tall lawyers up here for some reason.
That is curious. What do they feed you or put in the water, right?
Probably something with a cattle feed.
Probably, yeah.
The fertilizer in the water.
A little of both, yeah. All right. There's Miss Gillette. All right, we are on the record in the
Just amazing what goes on behind the scenes, isn't it, folks? It's illegal, but there's not much we can really do.
Yes, Austin. From Hamburg.
Huh?
Do you have the Hamburg PSI? Okay. Is that it next to you?
You know what? I probably. All right, 21-38757. This is Chelsea Newton, and there's a motion to revoke probation on this one. What are we going to do?
We're requesting a bond. She hasn't been misdemeanor.
Do you happen to have the pre-sentence report on this one, please? Chelsea Newton, thank you very much. Make sure I don't lose this.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you are. Got caught stealing here at the Walmart. $116. So we have a Class B deferred in 12, Class B theft, regular probation in 14, Class B theft in 17, 2 days in jail. So those are, it's like misdemeanor convictions here. Then aggravated assault in 2016. 1 year deferred. Well, that went by in a week of an eye. Then this theft here. And here, where not just a theft. Okay. It's made a felony because of the prior theft convictions that we discussed in 2014 and 2017.
Yeah. It's paid for.
Yes.
We should. Do we have a name?
Not yet.
Before we.
Yeah, it's gonna take a day to figure it out.
This motion alleges that the defendant committed the offense of assault on or about February 18th, 2024, Do you have any information on that from Spain?
Yes.
I have a DCF didn't have. You want to-
Good. I don't have it. I have your memo, but that has a summary.
Yes, I don't know.
No, not the,
No, it's in there. It's underneath that. Sorry.
there you go. I'm gonna give you back, so. And thanks. What are you doing at the Humidor Lounge at 1:30 in the morning when you're on my watch from probation, when you're supposed to be at home? What's wrong with you on that? You know better. You're at a bar while you're on this court supervision at 1:30 in the morning?
She's alleged to have been.
Mm-hmm.
She's on video, Your Honor. They have her on.
He's allegedly on the
She's
video,
allegedly
huh?
on the
Is that a
It may not be her. I don't know.
it's probably a superimposed likeness, just like her, that was brought from the planet Venus.
There's been no proof. We're just asking for a bond.
Well, circumstances of the underlying adventure are part of it all. Yeah, I can trust you. I don't think. There's a probation order that says you're supposed to be in by 10.
She was identified by several individuals there, as well as the officer, an officer that knew her as well. Was familiar
Well,
with
again, Your Honor, I don't have the opportunity to cross-examine. That's accurate. But she's alleged, that's the allegation.
her. We can reset it and I'll have all those officers show up.
We smart bonds. He's on the firm.
$75,000 bond. You have to follow the terms. I mean, there's an assault here that's been alleged, which is a crime. Then you get 1:30 at a bar, having a good time when you're supposed to. You have children too, don't you? Or you taking care of how many children? 5 children? Unless they were at the bar with you.
They weren't. Well, it's alleged that they were actually in the car.
They were in the car asleep while she's in the bar.
Alleged.
She told me that.
The defendant told you that.
Yes.
$75,000. What's being done about the children and neglect?
I'm not sure.
We don't know.
I do know one of her,
That's terrible.
little boys is supposed to be having eye surgery and he wasn't able to have it because she's in jail. So.
All right, this motion to revoke, when can you be ready? 3 weeks?
Today.
3
I
weeks?
the sooner the better, because she's probably gonna
3 weeks.
make the bonds. And
Set for 3 weeks. for a hearing.
see if you can make the bond.
We're going to set it for a hearing nonetheless. Okay, Rogelio Martinez, please. Jared,
I think he's got one more set of papers to sign up. Judge.
what else? Are we missing anybody else?